You might think good food starts with a sharp knife or choosing the right playlist. But a good restaurant is about more than the knife skills and the tunes. It's more than the painstaking hours creating a robust menu, or the attention given to perfecting each plate. The same way a good cup of coffee is more than the aromatic roast of beans, or the exact ratio of grounds to coffee. But it sure does feel great taking that first sip. It's about sharing these moments with you. For 15 years, from Centertown to Westboro, this is the story of Grounded. It's been about you. Always has been, always will be.